The Greenworks Life Gets Easier 1500 PSI Premium Electric Pressure Washer. Oh, the boy opened it at the perfect time. So we got.
Whoa!
It's smaller than I thought it would be.
It is, but in fact, it's smaller than
Dad?
Oh boy.
Oh boy. We have another one, Dad.
Look at that piece. That was important. Okay, what's this? These look important. Probably like a pesticide.
Use the.
That looks like a sprayer.
This is an important piece that you need to keep somewhere.
That looks like
If nozzle becomes blocked, insert this nozzle cleaner
a
into the
sprayer. This looks like a sprayer.
to clear the obstruction.
Oh my god.
Oh, you gotta keep that. So here we have all of the parts and materials per se that come with the Greenworks 1500 PSI Life Gets Easier. It's a premium pressure washer. Okay. Alright, so thank God for instructions. So here we go. Let's figure out how to put this thing together. It says here, installation, unpack the machine. Take it out and install the spray wand. Install the spray wand. Push the end of the spray wand into the gun handle. What's over there doing, boy? Oh yeah. Click
Can I help too?
and then twist it. Turn the spray wand clockwise into lock position. Hold on. Oh. It's locked in there. There we go.
You can just put it in there.
Install the high pressure hose.
Oh.
This here.
Yeah.
Alright. So we install this to the bottom of here. Turn clockwise, install and tighten the other end. Pressure
It
washer.
just put that
Hose
in
pumping
here.
the water out.
That's why.
So we must connect the water hose to this end. Boom.
Oh.
Oh boy, we're getting somewhere. But it says turn the water on before I even plug it in.
Oh.
So, I'm assuming this is like for some pesticides or something, maybe some soap. So yeah, that was the installation. Get everything organized and see how this thing goes. Give y'all a before shot of where we're starting. Alright, so I turned the water hose on. It's been going for 30 seconds. Time to get this baby cranking on in. See what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.